How to fix Instagram DMs or messages in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple, so please keep watching until the end. The first step is go to the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do, scroll down, go to apps manager on your phone, and then click on apps right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple, just wait a few seconds, it will start loading this page. Now on this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page right here. You will find all the app informations on your phone. So all what you have to do here is click on force stop easily, and after you click on force stop, now all what you have to do is go back like this and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed in easy fast way. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.